All right, what's going on, y'all? As you can see in the description, we up here trying to get the mid muffler delete. Gotta make this boy louder. You already know, man, that shit is, hey, that's mandatory to do on these. You know what I'm saying? You already see me coming. We got the ceramic coating done. We got the tint. It already looks crazy, but I want y'all to hear me, you know what I'm saying? And feel me. But hey, I'm gonna get back to y'all in a minute, man. I don't know if this place is gonna let me shoot video or not, but you know what I'm saying? We're gonna find out. But if they don't, or if they do, whatever happens, I'm gonna give y'all a before and after of the exhaust, you know what I'm saying? So I'll holler at y'all in a minute. There she go, y'all. She going up right now. Get that mid muffler delete done. Where my baby goes, she going in the air. All right, I'm up here. Discount muffler and brakes. Got to get the sound or the sign. The sound. The phone number is 517-272-9000, and they're letting me shoot my video and record everything, so of course, you know, they get a shout out. That's how that works, man. You help me, you know what I'm saying? Let me do my thing, I'm gonna give y'all the shout out. But they're getting ready to get started on it right now. Get the mid mufflers cut off. You're gonna hear how this thing sounds. It's gonna sound real good. So y'all know, they're cutting off these right here, probably cut it right there, both sides, get them cut off, and then gonna put a straight pipe on it. It's gonna sound real good. All right, y'all, they're all done. Got the mid muffler delete done. They about to start it up. Y'all can hear the difference. Woo! Yeah. Hey, rev it up. There we go. Hell yeah. Right. Hey, that's it, baby. Y'all see I got the mid muffler delete done? We in there. Man, yo, this thing sounds so much better. The videos don't do it justice, man. You gotta hear one of these things in person with the mid muffler delete. You know what I'm saying? It's crazy. Anybody who has a Charger like this, man, or a Challenger, highly recommended you get the mid muffler delete ASAP. Man, what? Crazy. But all right, man, that's it. It's a wrap. Make sure y'all subscribe to my YouTube channel, Max Savage. Hit that subscribe. I need y'all to watch my ads. And stay tuned, man, for the next video. I'm out.